Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Harun or Rashid, Assistant Teacher, Tangal Collectorate Girls High School and College. All the students and honorable viewers, you are welcomed from Tangal Collectorate Girls High School and College. Dear students, today we are going to enjoy an English class 8, subject English second paper, topic adjective. Last class we know what is adjective, how many kinds of adjective. Today we will discuss about how many kinds of adjective and in details one or two kinds of adjective. Dear students, we know that the word that modifies a noun or a pronoun in a sentence is called adjective. There are 4 kinds of adjective. We know before. We know that 4 kinds of adjective. First, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, and numeral adjective. Dear students, we will discuss about adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. The topic adjective of quality. Quality. Dear students, look at the board. I have written something on the board. Attention please, look at the board. Adjective of quality. Now I will discuss about this quality of adjective. Dhaka is an old city. He is honest. Bangladesh is a riverine country. Notice the board. The underlined word old, honest, riverine, old. What kind of city Dhaka? Dhaka is what kind of city? It is an old city. It is an old city. This is condition. This is condition. Condition. Old city. Dhaka noun. Dhaka noun. Its condition is old. So the adjective old is adjective of quality. Dear students, I hope you have understood my words. What kind of the city of Dhaka? What kind of city Dhaka is? Dhaka is an old city. Old condition. Dhaka noun. It expresses the condition of noun. That's mean Dhaka. So old is the adjective of quality. Next, he is honest. Honest is a virtue. Honest is a virtue. So he is honest. Virtue. What is he? What is he? Pronoun. Dhaka noun. He pronoun. Bangladesh noun. He pronoun. What is he? What kind of he? He is honest. It's a virtue. So this adjective, it is adjective of quality. Bangladesh is a riverine country. What kind of Bangladesh? Bangladesh is a riverine country. It's a condition. What is the condition? Riverine. Bangladesh is a riverine country. So, Bangladesh noun, riverine condition. It's a adjective. It's an adjective of quality. Dear students, attention please. Again, old condition, riverine condition, honest virtue. These adjectives are adjective of quality because Dhaka, this is noun, its condition is old. What kind of Dhaka? What quality of Dhaka? What quality of riverine? What quality of Bangladesh? Bangladesh is a riverine country. So, such adjectives are adjective of quality. Next, now I will discuss about another item of adjective of quality. Dear students, proper adjectives, but they have come from proper noun. We know some proper adjectives. We know some proper adjectives they have come from they have come from proper noun. Dear students, you have to must learn this quality of adjective. We know some proper adjectives. They have come from proper noun. Which adjectives? Now we will know about them. Proper noun, proper adjectives. Proper noun, proper nouns. Proper adjective. Proper noun, proper adjective. Dear students, Bangladesh. It's a noun, proper noun. Its proper adjective is Bangladeshi. India. Its adjective is Indian. Dear students, look at the board. Try to understand proper noun and proper adjective. Proper noun Bangladesh, its proper adjective is Bangladeshi. Proper adjective, it has come from proper noun Bangladesh. Indian, proper adjective Indian, it has come from proper noun India. Next, Arab, A-R-A-B, Arabian. Dear students, American. Dear students, another example, Japanese, Japan, Japan, Japanese, Japanese. Japanese. England. Dear students, England. Attention please. England. It's a proper noun. Its proper adjective is English, not Englandian. England, its proper adjective is English. English. English is a subject. Now, here English is proper noun. Dear students, attention please. Look at the board. We know that some proper adjectives, they have come from proper nouns. Bangladesh, Bangladeshi, proper adjectives. These words are proper noun. Bangladesh, India, Arab, America, Japan, England. Proper adjectives are Bangladeshi, Indian, Arabian, American, Japanese, English. Dear students, you have to must learn this proper noun and proper adjectives. Dear students, now I will discuss. All of them are adjectives of quality. All of them are adjectives of quality. Dear students, these words are adjectives of quality. Dear students, next I will discuss about another item of adjective, adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity plus adjective of quality plus quantity. Quantity. Now I will discuss about adjective of quantity. Dear students, you have to learn must the kinds of adjective and its uses. If you do not the use of adjectives, it's a parts of speech. We know, suppose 10 kinds of English in the world. 10 kinds of English in the world. Them 9 kinds of English are parts of speech. So you have to know about parts of speech. One kind of parts of speech adjective. We are discussing about one kind of parts of speech adjective. Now I will discuss about adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity, at first I will write something on the board. I will write examples. Quantity. Quantity. Now I will write the example of adjective of quantity. At first, a little learning is a dangerous thing. A little learning is a dangerous thing. A little learning is a dangerous thing. Little. Next. I have enough land. I have enough land. I have enough land. Another example. There was no man in the field. There was no man in the field. There is no man in the field. Dear students, I have written 3 examples. Now we will know about these examples. And adjective of quantity. A little learning is a dangerous thing. I have enough land. There was no man in the field. What kind of thing? What kind of thing? How much or how many? How much? How much dangerous? How much dangerous? How much land? How many men? How many men? How many men? How much? A little. How much dangerous? A little dangerous. A little. How much learning? A little learning. How much learning? A little learning. How much land? Enough land. How many men? No men. How many men? No men. Dear students, look at the board. How much learning? A little learning. This is a quantity. I have enough land. How much land I have? How much land do I have? How much land do I have? I have enough land. This is quantity. Enough. There was no man. How many men? How many men in the field? There is no men. Number, no men. It's a quantity of adjective. Dear students, if you know the kinds of adjective, if you do better in the exam, because you have to write, fill in the gap. You have to write, fill in the gap. It may be articles, it may be noun, it may be adjectives, it may be preposition or adverb and verb. So you have to know all kinds of parts of speech. So you have to learn adjective. Adjective is an important part of English grammar. Dear students, I hope you will try to better understand to help from your grammar book, and if you follow my class, I hope you will do better in your English grammar. Dear students, no more today. Best of luck. Thank you, everybody.